Our aspiration as a company is to build a significant global enterprise. And to realize this aspiration, we have to play in some of the tough markets in the developed nations of the world. Now, for a company like ours, which is where the brand is relatively unknown and we have a Made in India label appended to us, we have to lead into these markets with value selling rather than a price-based selling. Now, value in this context is about providing benefits to the customers from a life cycle cost perspective, as well as providing a product which has got just outstanding levels of quality. This is, we consider, as table stakes in building the competitive advantage for our company. Now, even though we lead our sales program with value and quality, for a company in our context, customers expect a price. So we have to have a cost advantage in order to able to compete and provide the expectations of the customer. Now, in order to make all of this happen, value, quality, as well as cost competitiveness, we have done selective integration, backward integration in our manufacturing. For us, backward integration is a very selectively strategic initiative where we pick on opportunities by which we are able to enhance the value that we provide to customers.